In this script, you'll create a clean testimonial card that builds trust instantly, using only Photoshop's custom shapes. Begin by opening Photoshop and creating a medium-sized canvas. Select the Custom Shape tool and draw a rounded rectangle as the testimonial container. Choose a white or light fill color for a clean look. Now add a quotation mark custom shape near the top corner, resizing it slightly larger for visual emphasis and lowering its opacity. Next, place a circle shape at the bottom to represent a user avatar. Add testimonial text using the Type tool, followed by the user's name and roll below. Duplicate the card and place it slightly behind, darkening its color to create a layered depth effect. Finish by adding a soft drop shadow.